So I bought this iron. It's a 2 times smoother glit. It's a green iron, #1 brand. It says not a sponsor. I'm just showing you that I bought this iron so we can iron my uniform or any other clothes you want to look neat for work or for whatever special occasions. I think I'm gonna open it. I was in the plan to open it right now, but why not? Let's take a peek. Okay, there's the instructions, obviously, and already looking bigger than I thought. So there's the iron, y'all. There it is, out of the bag. The iron, you connect it, and you iron your bed sheets, iron your uniform for work, whatever else you have to iron. So yeah, and it's green, not just the average black or white iron. No, it's a green one. Imagine it be very hot. It keeps your clothing warm when you're done ironing. My wife made this beautiful red cake. It's very red and colorful and bloody. Oh yeah, it's gonna be tasty, y'all. And the inside is pink, so it goes with it. So beautiful, pink and red cake. Also got us a new microwave. Time to get a new one, y'all. There it is, a new microwave box. And so, yeah, we needed a new one. This is the old microwave. I got this one after my uncle, my Theo Jerry, he passed away. I got his microwave. Thank you so much for this microwave I got from you. Well, actually, yeah. But here's why we needed a new one, y'all. Look, the time, you can't see it. It's not visible no more when you put the timer. And a lot of times the bulb doesn't work, so it's not a spoiled thing of just wanting a new one. We really needed a new one, so it's heartbreaking to have to get rid of this microwave that I got from my late uncle. But you know, it still works. It's still functionable. So I'm gonna donate it to some hobos that down at the Goodwill, and maybe somebody can get it for a cheaper price. Just open up the new box of our new microwave, and there it is, the first look. There it is, new microwave setup. Right now, I'll connect in just a second. There it is, new and improved new microwave, nice and shiny, ready to have the time set up. It's nice and cute, teeny weeny. Let's take a peek inside. Oh, all the instructions are inside. I had no idea. It's a good thing I didn't turn it on to test it or something. Okay, let me. I don't want it to catch fire, so I'm gonna unplug this real quickly. I'm such a dummy. This plastic bubble wrap is to protect the glass circle thing that's inside the microwave. Duh. Voila, so beautiful. Wonderful. And there's the time, y'all, 9:57 p.m. Nice, nice. Love it.